In this video, we will explore top design styles for software demo videos.
Or you want to build and deploy applications closer to your end users. AWS provides you the cloud infrastructure where and when you need it. As 5G networks are rolled out across the globe, enterprises and application developers will rely on its advancements in bandwidth and latency to deliver solutions like immersive gaming experiences.
Harassment in the workplace, yet only a fraction of those impacted have ever reported these behaviors. They often fear retaliation, believe it won't make a difference, or simply don't want to rock the boat. What if you could provide employees with a trustworthy, easy way to report an issue? When employees can easily voice work...
Minute counts. Your in-house investigations team needs to be able to find the most crucial data as soon as trouble hits. But running an internal investigation can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Except that needle is a person. And that person leaves not just one digital trail, but many.
Employer for the expense takes 2 weeks, a bunch of steps, and unnecessary stress. Whether you're a big or small company, tracking expenses can get messy. And that's why there's Emburse. Emburse issues corporate credit cards with expense policies built right in, taking out the guesswork of what's allowed. With only
digital workflows, so employees and customers get what they need when they need it. Fast, simple, easy, creating great experiences and unlocking productivity for employees and the enterprise. ServiceNow simplifies the complexity of work on a single enterprise cloud platform, the Now Platform, the intelligent and intuitive cloud platform.
While mitigating risk in rapidly changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you
remotely. The number of ransomware threats, expanding compliance needs, and risks to your devices has never been higher. Small and mid-sized businesses can't keep up, and the bad guys know it. Just one deceptive link or convincing phishing email can infect your system with ransomware. Once malware blocks you from accessing your data, it holds you hostage until the demanded ransom fees.
Population is a constantly evolving challenge. How can you be proactive in educating providers and closing gaps throughout the year when your HEDIS engine isn't ready until late in the fall? How can you break down departmental silos to align efforts, make better use of available data and resources, and combine all your quality...
...need to securely access critical information, providing oversight, insight, and foresight that extends beyond the boardroom to impact the organizations, stakeholders, and communities they serve. But changing demands, cybersecurity threats, and increased shareholder pressure can raise the stakes. In order to drive impact...
That's all about going the distance. Connecting all the dots can seem overwhelming sometimes. Digitalization and decarbonization aren't future challenges anymore. By having a clear view of the entire ecosystem, you can discover new opportunities for green efficiencies, enhanced performance, and streamlined operations.
150%. And despite massive investments in perimeter, endpoint, and application layer security, attackers are still successfully gaining access to data, and they're trying to corrupt your backup data, your last line of defense. So how do you keep the hackers out of your backup data?
Scenario: several army troops surround a castle they hope to conquer. Each troop has one general designated as the lead. The troops are dispersed, so a central command is difficult. To coordinate, the generals must relay a message instructing when to act, but only a simultaneous attack ensures victory. The problem is that
other tools can be tricky and a little time-consuming. And let's face it, copy and pasting URLs isn't a natural step in anyone's workflow. But sharing insights just got a lot easier. Introducing Highlights. With Highlights, you can extract,
organically, often with technologies from multiple vendors. However, market shifts and mounting regulatory scrutiny have highlighted the need to rethink data ecosystems to avoid poor trading decisions, fines, and even reputational damage.
Our Market Data Monitor enables you to collect, analyze.
Think of Miles as your virtual business partner, taking care of everything. It's a contract managing system enveloping the complete life cycle of your contracts, from quotations to remarketing. Tweak Miles to exactly match your business processes and seamlessly integrate with other systems through APIs and web services.
Great data wherever it resides, whether that's on-premise, in the cloud, or both. You design once, deploy anywhere. Today, storing and processing data in the cloud provides a fast, efficient way to increase the scalability, availability, and reliability of your data, enabling you to take on pressing challenges
for employees. But while there are plenty of benefits, there's also a flip side. Inefficient management of your growing app landscape wastes time, effort, and budget, effectively offsetting many of the benefits of SaaS. So, how can IT teams maximize SaaS benefits without wasting time and effort? Better Cloud Manage helps companies reduce costs
into their investment strategies. Underscoring the magnitude of this trend, ESG-driven assets now exceed $40 trillion, and demand continues to grow. But ESG investing presents several challenges for investment firms looking to grow market share and launch innovative products.
A lack of nations aren't alone in the race to define and defend their entire attack surface, as unknown or unprioritized IT can be a gateway to the rest of the network. If the best defense is a good offense, you're going to need a longer bench. BugCrowd's attack surface management matches the scale and effort of attackers with the...
It's no longer enough to track and manage interaction quality on spreadsheets or inflexible software tied to your telephony provider. And since agent performance and engagement is essential for giving customers the best possible experience, businesses of all sizes need a solution that can scale flexibly and support your QA program fully.
Just like every logistics sector facility, it maintains numerous physical assets and employs many people. So how can they all be managed and tracked? The Commach Asset Tracking Solution, an advanced cloud-based asset management system, is the answer. To explain the operation and features of asset tracking, we will introduce a few system keys
and all the other infrastructure credentials you need. It gets messy fast, or at least it used to. Introducing 1Password Developer Tools, a collection of features designed to help you protect secrets and simplify your development workflows, starting with Git. Along with many other types of secrets, you can now generate...
And they want it. So why bother with mass-targeted campaigns that are hit or miss at best if most of them find it irrelevant? Isn't there a better way to approach this? We have just the thing, the Capillary Campaign Manager. Say your women's apparel brand just launched a new winter collection. As a marketing manager,
CX1 Chat. In today's digital landscape, seamless experiences are the cornerstone of exceptional customer experiences, and digital-first omnichannel journeys are no exception. As customers engage with your customer service team, the goal is a positive customer experience. CX1 Feedback Management with CX1 Chat.
And they were, not too helpful. Luckily, the smart chatbot everyone dreamed of is finally here. Our ITSM solution offers a generative AI chatbot powered by a private large language model. Say hello to the chatbot Aviator from a self-service...
I mean, that's the kind of thing that a 5-time Super Bowl MVP can do.
In the cloud. Scary, right? Actually, no. Citrix DAS comes loaded with security protections, adaptive authentication, app protection policies, Citrix Analytics for security. We meet all the same compliance standards with DAS that we meet on-prem.
And investors and borrowers had the power to find each other in real time. What if there were no barriers to entry and back office burdens were a thing of the past? What if liquidity could be accessed on demand? No intermediaries, no complicated contracts, just expanded liquidity options for incremental yield and